Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable volume display on charts in Trading 212. Adding the volume indicator makes it easy to see how much buying and selling activity accompanied each price move, which can help you judge strength or hesitation in the market. Start by opening Trading 212 in your browser or the mobile app. Once you're on the main screen, open the main menu by selecting the three horizontal lines at the top. This reveals your platform options and navigation. Choose the CFD workspace to proceed. The interface used here is the CFD view, which includes a full set of charting tools and indicators. Remember, CFDs are complex instruments and involve risk due to leverage. So if you're just exploring the platform, consider practicing first. Now use the search bar at the top. Click into search, then type the instrument you want to analyze. In this walkthrough, we'll reference a sample coin, but you can enter any available stock, forex pair, index, or crypto listed on the platform. Select the matching result to open its detail page and load the chart. On the instrument page, expand the chart to full screen by selecting the expand option. Full screen gives you more room for indicators and makes everything easier to read and manage. At the top left of the chart, find indicators and open it. This brings up the indicator library and a search field. In the search box, type volume. You should see volume appear in the list of available indicators. Click volume to add it to your chart. Once applied, you'll see a histogram pane, usually at the bottom of the chart, with bars that rise and fall to reflect traded volume for each candle. Colors often mirror price direction, commonly green for up candles and red for down candles, so you can quickly spot spikes in participation during rallies or sell-offs. A few quick tips to help you read what you're seeing. The volume you see is tied to your selected time frame. On a 1-hour chart, each bar shows 1 hour's activity. Switch to daily candles to see daily totals. If the indicator doesn't appear right away, ensure you're in the expanded chart view and check that volume is listed as active in your indicators panel. On smaller screens, you may need to scroll the chart panes to bring the volume area into view. If you change instruments later, the platform typically remembers your indicator set up for that chart layout. That's it. You've enabled volume on your Trading 212 chart. Use it alongside price to confirm breakouts, gauge pullbacks, and spot periods of unusually high or low interest. When you're done, you can collapse the chart or leave it expanded for deeper analysis.